Hello everyone. In today's video, we will calculate Pearson product movement correlation coefficient with the help of this question. The question says that the following table represent the marks obtained by 10 students in English and drawing examinations. Using the given data, calculate the Pearson product movement coefficient of correlation between the marks in English and drawing. The marks in English represent by X, whereas marks in drawing represent by Y. Uh, so first we find the mean of these marks. So we represent mean of English marks by mx and mean of drawing marks by my. Sum upon n. Here also sum upon n. The sum of English marks is 80 upon 10, that's equals to 8. In the same way, marks in drawing, the sum is 90 upon 10, so my value is 9. As we all know that Pearson product movement correlation is an parametric test. So is data represent in normal probability curve. So mean is here and all the numbers that are above 8 will come on the right side, and whereas all the numbers that are below 8 will there in the left side. So we find the deviation of each value, that is from each value in English and each value in Y. Deviation represents the distance from the mean value, and formula for the deviation is x minus xz x bar, x minus x bar. X bar represent the mean and x represent the given value. So deviation of x will be, that is mean is 8, so deviation value is of 14 is 6, deviation value of 12 is 4. In the same way, it is 2, 9 is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, again minus 2, minus 3 and minus 5. We count the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we, in the same way, now we find the deviation of y. The mean of y is 9, so it is minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 3, that is minus 1, and here it is, and it is plus 3, plus 1, 0, plus 3, again plus 3. After that, we find the summation of each deviation, because these values are needed in our formula. So we find the deviation of x square. In the same way, we find the deviation of y square. So deviation square of 6 is 36, 16, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 9, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the 10 terms are there. In the same way, we find the deviation of y square. Minus 1 square is 1, minus 5 square 25, 0, 9, 1, 9, 1, 0, 9, 9. Now we count the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the 10 terms are there. Before we going for the multiplication of the deviation, first we find the summation square of the deviations square. So summation y square. Summation squares. The summation of square values is 100. Summation of y square value is 64. In the same way, we find the multiplication of the x and y. So it is minus 6, minus 20, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus 9, and minus 15. Now we count the term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the 10 terms are there. Now we go to the formula of the Pearson product movement correlation. Now we write the formula of Pearson product movement correlation. Correlation is represented by R. Formula is summation xy upon square root summation x square multiply summation y square. All the three values are there. Now we put each value, that is summation xy is minus 58 upon root summation x square is 100 multiply by summation y square is 64 so minus 58 upon into 10 into 8, that is minus 58 upon 80. So our value is in negative, minus 0, I think it is about 7. Yes, 7. Yes, R is equals to 0.725, which shows that there is a strong negative correlation between the marks of English and the marks of drawing. Thank you.